Hi, hi everyone. Today we're doing Module 2, part of VMath Level E. We're on Lesson 3. Please turn to page 13 and follow along to take notes. So today it says adding multi-digit numbers with regrouping. So if we look here, notice that we have 38 plus 76 plus 26, and it's from left to right. So they rewrote it vertically, up and down, just like we did in the last couple lessons. So if we add these up, we're going to always start in the ones place. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So we put a 0 there, carry the 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we have 140 is our answer. If we go to number 2, notice here, we need to rewrite it. We're going to rewrite it vertically. 888 plus 104. And then we'll add in the ones place. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 0 is 9. And then 8 plus 1 is 9. 992. If we look down here, now we have... For number 3, we have thousands place. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we start in the ones still. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. Put the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So if we look at this, so we always start over here, we go 3 over, and then that's where the comma goes. So 14,209 is how we would read that number. And the next one, we have quite a bit bigger number, so let's write this. I'll say it too, 2,348,347. Now, we still have to line it up. So this is 94,000. So I'm going to go to the 10,000s place. So 94,117. Now, they're lined up properly. The ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, etc. And we can add them. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Put a 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. We can put the comma there. Now we are in the thousands place, so 8 plus 4 is 12. Put the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we have another comma, and then 2 plus nothing is 2. So our answer, we would say, is 2,442,464. All right, so this says find the sum of 7,326 and 3,173. So if you write it in expanded notation like you've done before, this number is 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. And then 3,173 is 3,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. So then you can add the thousands. This is another way to do this. 7,000 plus 3,000 is 10,000. And then you have 300 plus 100 is 400. 20 plus 70 is 90. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we get 10,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 9. So it's 10,499. So sometimes it's easier to break it up in expanded notation like that and then add it. So this says, find each sum, regroup as needed. Start in the ones place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. I'm going to put the comma there to help remind me. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. So if we say this number, 194,439. Number 6, always in the ones place. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry that 1. Put the comma there. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. We got a comma. 4 plus nothing is 4. So 4,792,256. Next one, let's line these up. We have 14,911 plus 959. So then we go to the ones place. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So we would say 15,870. Again, we got to line these up. So 91,717, 868, and then 8,306. So 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 6 is 21. Put the 1, carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 0 is just still 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Put the 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So our answer here is 100,891. Okay, add multi-digit numbers with regrouping. So remember, if it looks like this from left to right, it says write the problem vertically, which means up and down. Line up the digits in the same place value columns. Then add the digits in the ones column. If the sum has more than one digit, regroup. So in this case, 5 plus 9 is 14. They put the 4. They regrouped with that 1, and then you can move on to the tens. It says continue adding the digits in the next columns, going from right to left. So you go from the ones to the tens to the hundreds to the thousands to the 10,000s. If the sum has more than one digit, regroup it. All right, on your own, very carefully, you're going to complete page 15. Make sure to ask for help if you need it. Good luck.